Friends, today we're going to learn how to make prawn filter or kueh seng kuang with the udang. It's a very simple and delicious food as a snack, and you can serve these snacks as an appetizer. It's really delicious. It's crunchy outside, very soft with the stuffing with the hikama or sengkuang. So friend, let's see how to make this delicious. Welcome to the channel Food is God Gift. Please click subscribe button and click that bell button and you will get notification every day. Please like and share and comment. Thank you. So friend, this is simple recipe. All you need a few ingredients that you have at home. So all you need is a hikama. Hikamas is nowadays many people doesn't consume much because we couldn't have much optional because it's really have a water consistent, is liquidy, and we can add as making as a salad or some other dishes. So for today we're going to make this kueh seng kuang. So we need about 2 cup grated hikama and 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 egg, salt, sugar, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, carrot, spring onion, and shrimp friend. So it's a simple ingredient. So in the one bowl I'm going to squeeze that hikama, the grated hikama. So what happened, why I need to squeeze this grated hikama, because we're going to deep fry this kueh, this fritter. So we don't want to have any water came out from the stuffing. So this is the prevention from that water accident during the deep frying. So this is the grated, and then I'm just adding in the medium bowl. I'm just added the liquid from hikama, 1 egg, salt, sugar, and I'm given nice beat. We need to have a nice frothy egg, so just keep beating about 3 minutes so we have nice mix together. Now I'm adding the all-purpose flour, about 1 cup. So all-purpose flour is a basic ingredient. I'm adding now rice flour. Rice flour will give nice crunchy and a good combination with this texture. So now I just added baking powder, so about 1/4 teaspoon, and we need to add water about 3/4 cup to 1 cup water, friends. So please consume that enough, that's sufficient. So I just want to really show you that the consistent of this batter, because we're going to deep fry this with the one ladle or a spoon, soup spoon. So when we pour it, this should be really nice gluey consistent. That's important. So keep adding the liquid, that you should be have this consistent. So friend, now the batter is ready. In the one wok I'm adding oil. It should be cover up the ladder. So I'm just putting that the batter, about half spoon of the batter, and I just warm underneath, and I'm now spreading all over the spoon area, and we're going to stuff with the hikama. And hikamas, it's already, we don't have the water, it's really good. Now just add more batter on the top, and we're going to garnish with the shrimp and then carrot, spring onion. So it's simple, friend, but the taste really good, friends. It's so crispy, crunchy, it's so delicious, it's just so good. And we always make it in Malaysia when I was small. This is my favorite kueh, and we always eat with this kueh with the hot sauce or the chili garlic sauce. It goes so well, or sometimes we eat with the peanut sauce too. So, and I'm just swinging around with the hot oil, so it will really help that kueh come out from that ladle or spoon. So I just run the knife in the edges underneath, and I keep the hot oil go inside, and now it came out so perfectly. Look at this, friend. And then again I just leave the hot spoon for some time in the oil, and now again I repeat this process. So keep look, this is fun to make. It's so worth to try. It's really unique kueh. It's so delicious, and nowadays it's very difficult to find this kueh anymore, and it's always special. We made it at home. So that's all about that batter. You need to make sure the batter's in right consistent, and no time you can make this amazing delicious kueh at home, friends. So just run in the hot oil and swinging around, and it should be take to complete cook about each side about 8 minutes, friends. So each side should be take 4 minutes, and then underneath again 4 minutes should be enough sufficient, and it's going to be super crispy and very soft inside, friends. So again I repeat this process. Look at this, I just run the knife in the edge end, and then keep doing it, repeating until we finish this making. So today I have about around 6 to 7 kueh. I got it, and then it's so yummy, friend. Now is I add with some side with the hot sauce sriracha. So you can eat this like that, or you can add with any favorite sauce, ketchup, peanut sauce, or the garlic chili hot sauce, friends. It's simple recipe, but it's really worth to try. It's really unique traditional kueh dish, and very delicious, and you can make it for your family and friends. The adding the shrimp really give nice aroma, and then it really give nice sweetness inside that the kueh itself. So friend, this is the how it's look. It's the ending product that I made it, and simply delicious. It's so good. I'm going to show you how it's look. It's so crispy, you can see that, so crunchy outside, and then you see the shrimp and then the jicama inside. It's so delicious, friend. So friend, you can always make this dish at home, and it simply come out so perfect. So again, friends, it's simple ingredient. All you need all-purpose flour, rice flour, egg, jicama, baking powder, salt, sugar, and water. So that's the batter, and then you always can add any favorite topping you want, friends. You can add a sprouted mung, or any kochai or spinach, or any favorite topping you can add.
Before you
like
leave,
this recipe,
click that subscribe button and the bell button to get the notification. Thank you, friends.